Business Model Canvas. This module presents the benefits and key elements of a business model canvas to aspiring and experienced entrepreneurs. In this module, you will learn the fundamentals of Business Model Canvas and how it can be useful and adapted to your business idea. Business Model Canvas, BMC, is a visual representation of business model elements. It makes ease of doing business simplified. To understand BMC, it is important to know the concept of a business model. According to the authors, Osterwalder and Pignor, 2010, the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers and captures value, is referred to as a business model. These includes three main aspects, namely, 1. How the key components or functions of the organization delivers value to customers. 2. How the organization generates profit and creates values. 3. How are each key component interconnected, including logistics and stakeholder mapping. Importance of Business Model Canvas. 1. Focus. It focuses on how each activity, functions and processes are interconnected. This helps you see each area of your business in a more systematic, comprehensive, and formal way. Hence, the overall picture of your business is presented comprehensively in a pictorial format to spot areas of strength and weakness of your business model. 2. Speed and agility. The BMC can be referred to as a living document that fosters agile planning, verification and fast iteration of your business model. This helps you test, validate and rework your business model through feedback from actual customers to help improve it. 3. Concise and clear. The BMC gives the clarity of things needed beyond developing awesome products. It forces one to envision how your product could be sold, what kind of resources are needed, who are your customers and partners, etc. The BMC considers other factors centered on the value proposition which are mostly under your control. It determines the core behaviors and activities of the business, providing direction for all aspects. Composition of Business Model Canvas. The components of a business model canvas involves 9 related elements of knowledge, which represent the content, what, of doing business. BMC elements can be grouped into 4 dimensions for ease of interpretability, visualization, and understanding of the main underlying features of BMC in craft business. Researchers explain that the structure underlying the BMC is an important issue because it relates to how people represent 9 content aspects of doing business. The 4 dimensions are: 1. Product. This dimension focuses on the development of the product, value creation and unique selling point of your product. 2. Customer interface. The target customers are key to your value proposition. It is important to map out how you want to reach your customers, channels, and how you want to create and maintain relation with them. 3. Infrastructure management. This aspect deals mainly with what type of activities should be carried and what resources and partners would be needed to execute these activities. 4. Financial aspects. The finance is the life of your business. It is very necessary to envisage and plan the cost or expenditures as well as revenue or income of the business. Your revenue model must be properly thought through and followed. Elements of Business Model Canvas. 1. Customer segments. Who are your customers, partners and associates, and what value propositions do one or more customer segments bring? 2. Value propositions. What value do you create for each customer segment through a mix of your products, services? 3. Channels. What channels or how do you communicate and deliver your value proposition to each customer segment via various channels, for example retail, wholesale, reseller, social media, etc. 4. Customer relationships. How do you establish and maintain relationships with each customer segment? 5. Revenue streams. How do you generate revenue streams from the delivery of value to each customer segment, for example subscription, pay-per-use, etc. 6. Key resources. What are your resources to create and deliver the business model elements, for example technical team, intellectual property, funding, etc. 7. Key activities. What are your set of activities to create and deliver the business model elements, for example product development, sales, marketing, etc. 8. Key partners. How the organization outsources some activities to its network of suppliers, partners, for example vendors, strategic alliances, etc. 9. Cost structure. What is the cost of each element of a firm's business model, for example rent, salaries etc. Few examples of business model canvas are displayed in the next slides.